If you're a young adult, then you need to know these credit card tricks. All right, let's dive in. First up, always pay your balance in full each month. This helps you avoid those nasty interest charges. It's like getting free money, but better. Next, use your card for everyday purchases. Groceries, gas, streaming subscriptions, you name it. You'll rack up rewards points in no time. Just remember to pay it off, okay? Speaking of rewards, make sure you pick a card that matches your spending habits. Love to travel? Go for a travel rewards card. Always shopping online? Cashback cards are your best friend. Now, here's a pro tip. Set up automatic payments. This way, you'll never miss a due date and can dodge those annoying late fees. Plus, it's one less thing to worry about. Lastly, keep an eye on your credit score. A good score can score you better interest rates in the future. Monitor it regularly, and you'll be on top of your financial game. So there you have it. Use these hacks to become a credit card pro. Your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips. Catch you next time.